Welcome! Today we're making a lovely flower coaster that's perfect for decorating your table. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun projects. For round 1, start with a magic ring and make 6 single crochets 6x inside the ring. Tip: keep the loop tight so the center doesn't leave a hole. You're doing great! Next, for round 2, crochet 6 increases in back loop only, BLO. That's 6V, BLO. You should now have 12 stitches. Encouragement: it's okay to go slow here. BLO helps give texture to your flower. You got this. Moving on to round 3, make 12 increases, that's 12V ending with 24 stitches. Tip: use a stitch marker if needed to keep track of your rounds. You're doing amazing! For round 4, we'll crochet 3xV repeated 6 times. That's 3 single crochets, then an increase 6 times total. You'll end with 30 stitches. Encouragement: your flower is starting to grow so pretty already. Now for round 5, 5x x6. That's 5 single crochets and an increase repeated 6 times. You'll have 36 stitches. Tip: adjust your tension here to keep the coaster flat. You're doing fantastic. From round 6 to 10, simply crochet 36 single crochets 36x per round. Encouragement: this is your relaxing zone. Breathe and enjoy the rhythm of your stitches. Let's move to the flower center. Insert your hook into the front loops of round 2. Make 6 FW, front loop only wide stitches. Tip: this adds lovely texture to the middle of your flower. For rounds 2 to 5, crochet 18x each round in the round you just built. Encouragement: look how dimensional it's becoming. Keep going. You're building depth. Now for the petal edge, alternate. FW, FLO, FW, BLO. Front loop and back loop wide stitches until the end of the round. Tip. This creates the ruffled edge of the petal. Don't worry if it curls a bit, that's part of the charm. For the large flower petals, start a new piece with a magic ring and work 10 double crochets 10F into it. Encouragement. A fresh flower petal is blooming. Nice and even stitches make it shine. Next, do F, FV, X5. That's 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet increase repeated 5 times. Tip, keep your increases neat to shape the petal smoothly. Then, crochet 15 FW across. That's 15 front wide stitches. Encouragement. You've almost shaped the full petal. It's looking gorgeous. Now, Make 45 FW, that's 3 stitches in each of the 15 from the previous round to widen the petal. Tip: gently stretch and flatten after this row if needed. For the final touch, X through H. Repeat all around the petal to make a scalloped edge. That's 1 single crochet, then chain 3, repeat. Encouragement: this edge adds elegance. You're almost done. Great job. And there you have it, your very own flower coaster. Isn't it adorable? You can use it under mugs, candles, or even gift it to someone special. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your crochet-loving friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next cozy crochet session. Bye!